Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys, and of course I've missed y'all. I told y'all I would be dropping these videos, so here I come with this consistent content, y'all. We not playing no games, okay? So I have this hair here from Beauty Forever, and shout out to them for sponsoring this video because this hair is so freaking bomb, y'all. The knots bleached perfectly. I had little to no tangling and shedding, and I was just very pleased with this hair. But I wanted to come on here real quick and show y'all how I installed this. It came out perfect as far as me trying to achieve my ERICKA look, and I did use the ImaSlayyoBae Gummy glue, and y'all gonna see how that turned out at the end. Y'all, I didn't use HG lace. This is just regular old Swiss lace. So if you guys are interested, make sure you keep on watching. Do not forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and y'all, let's just get into it. Since I am going to go ahead and use glue on her hairline, I decided to go ahead and use the ball cap method. Now, if you all want to see a very detailed celebrity style step-by-step and also like beginner friendly ball cap method, then go ahead and click that card. But I'm going to go ahead and just lay this down, do a little bit of light plucking, and then we're going to get right into the glue application. So the adhesive that I'll be using today, y'all, is the gummy glue by ImaSlayyoBae. I did see this floating around on Instagram for quite some time, and I saw ERICKA use it, y'all, so I went ahead and picked up the glue as well as the remover. And I will say a quick tip on this, that you want to go ahead and make sure you use thin layers. Honey, if you use thick layers, it's gonna gunk up on you and it's just not gonna look good, honey. You gotta use the thin layers. So I did use my blow dryer on cool to warm settings just to make sure that I can dry it a little bit quicker. But I do have a video coming up on how to remove the glue from your lace, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you give me a thumbs up. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all continue watching the video. y'all, this is the completed look, honey. She's serving all type of looks, honey. But yeah, I absolutely love this install and how it turned out. The glue was absolutely bomb.com. I did not even use HD lace, y'all. I did not even use HD lace, just regular old Swiss lace. But if y'all want to see, you know, because I used a couple techniques in this video, if y'all want to see it in more detail, make sure y'all drop me a comment below. If you want to see how I did my baby hairs, honey, make sure you leave me a comment below. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Later.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Trust